Hello everyone. What we've got here today is a CEC Newport ceiling fan in antique brass. It's either a Newport or just some random CEC fan. I got this off Facebook Marketplace, a group of 3 fans for 30 bucks. This one, another CEC, and a vintage hugger. This thing has horrible bearings. Listen. If you can't hear it, they're very stiff and they sound like they're full of rocks. So today we're going to replace the bearings. Let's get started. I'm not going to bother cleaning it yet. I'll do that in a separate video after I change the bearings out. I'm trying to state, and also I've only got one of the size bearings that it uses. So hopefully only one of them is bad. I just need to buy like a 10-pack of these Hunter-sized bearings as well. Because for whatever reason, the Hunter fans use 2 different size bearings. The one on the bottom is different than the one on the top. That's stupid, in my opinion, but it's okay. This has a really tight fit. It's very difficult to get off for no reason at all. I'm talking about the switch housing, by the way. Oh my god. I can lift the whole fan up with no screws in it. That was painful. Capacitor is screwed down, that's nice. Instead of just with a little piece of adhesive. This thing also got a big pull chain in it. All the wiring connections are like made in the pull chain. That's weird. But yeah, there's the inside of the fan there. We gotta get everything out of it, all the electronics. This thing uses really small screws. All the screws that hold the switch housing on are tiny. These reverse screws are tiny. And they're not like threaded, they're like just wood threads. It's interesting. I believe one of the reverse switches on one of the fans was upside down. I don't know why, but I feel like I remember that for some reason. No crimps to deal with inside of this. They're all the wires are connected with a wire nut. Another screw here. My great uncle has one of these fans in his house. Oh, I wish I had a video of his house. It's so cool. It's got 2 of those 6-blade crest things that Jordan Yu has in his, I guess in his living room. And then it's got a like UFO motor housing thing in it. Most of the fans are antique brass, and these are both antique brass. It's got a Harbor Breeze Springfield 2 in the man cave outside, but like, who cares about that? It's got a Walmart Impressions. It's got a CEC Newport, or like this same fan right here. It's got 3 SMC huggers upstairs. There's a U52. There's 2 U52s and a U42. And then I also believe that there's a there's one more fan. It's some old Harbor Breeze. I think it might be a White Star. It's either a White Star or a New Orleans, but I don't remember. And then there's an industrial fan in the shop and a Kmart or a Lakewood P223 box fan. He's got a cool house. He built it himself, actually. I want to go back there. He's so cool. I think that's all the... Oh, no. On the porch, there's some newer Harbor Breeze thing we don't care about. It's the Merrimack. I don't like those fans. Well, actually, I don't mind them. They're alright. But, I think every single fan has an added-on light kit. I don't know if any of them actually came with lights originally. And there's all the wires. They all got, like, paint on them for some reason. There's a set screw on here. I've already got the top loosened because it's twisting. Is that in frame? Can you all see the fan? I'm just going to take all the screws out. Oh, great. This is going to be fun. I guess we're taking apart the motor housing first. It is quality approved by somebody. I have no clue where my adjustable pliers are. But I guess we don't need it. I don't know if this would have had another sticker on it that told you who made it, but I'm like pretty sure that this is a CEC. It's either that or some like rebadge for like moss, something like that. I also don't know if the light kit is original or add-on. I'm pretty sure all three of the fans would have come with no light. These screws are ridiculously tight. And also, if I wanted to, I could add a little downrod coupler there and we could scrap the close mount, which, to be honest, I kind of want to do because I don't have the right mounting bracket and I don't trust that wooden one that I built, so we might be doing that. It won't be anything fancy at all. Actually, if I have one that fits, it might have to be a Hunter downrod. But I feel like the ones that I already tried on here were the wrong size. I don't remember though, we'll try again. Nice. Oh great, that's disgusting. It's a gross fan. It's got a weird looking motor, I want to show that. Before I do show that though, here's the information sticker. If you can tell me anything from that, it would be greatly appreciated. So yeah. The whole thing has got what's it called? Vent screen on it. It's cool. And then it's got a weird little motor. There's nice spacer on there. I love this. There's a sideband, which is in decent shape, I guess. This one is like, it's got these little rivets in it. So it does overlap in that one spot. But I would so much rather have that be how the sideband's connected than the Casablanca way, which is just, you know, send it. They just tape it together. This is pretty dirty. We'll do a cleaning and servicing after I change the bearings. Got absolutely nothing to do today, so I can get some of my projects out of the way. Yeah, here's the weird looking little motor. I don't think it's cast, I think it's stamped. I know some of these come with casts, so this might just be a newer one. But it's still pretty big, heavy motor. So now we got these flathead screws with bolts holding the motor together. Actually, how about we get this switch housing off first? Pretty easy. Actually, we'll have it be all loose like that. Just have it sit. So I have something to like work, or something to hold it up while I work on it. Where'd my flathead go? It's right over here. And we gotta have it be the other way around. It's a heavy motor. Wow. So maybe it is cast. It's heavy. Don't know why it's so heavy. I like the bolts on it. That's nice. It's got these little screw and a bolt or a nut or whatever. I always mix up nut and bolt for no reason at all. But it's got those holding it, 3 of them. There's a split in the motor casing. That's amazing. I don't know if that's supposed to be there. It might. Am I supposed to be there? To be honest, I have no clue. I do want to use this fan in my room at some point. It's a good air mover. But that's like really bad. I have a feeling this is going to be a pain to separate this thing. Oh boy. How am I even supposed to do this? This thing is like really tight together. I guess we'll just work it. I don't want to bend anything. Which I think I am though. I think it is coming apart. Yeah, here's that split. Yeah, there's one on the top too. That might supposed to be there. See if we can wedge it apart with the hammer. Yeah, no. This thing is solid. I'm gonna put the switch housing back on. It's got the skeletal fins on the top. Now it looks weird. How am I even supposed to get this thing off? The thing is, I don't want to bend it. I might have just found a good strat. No, it's drifting out of frame. I don't think it's budging at all. I don't want to bend the switch housing either. Ooh, it is starting to come apart. That's good. We're going to take it out of the switch housing. I don't want to damage it. But since we might be scrapping the top for this plate, I guess we can just use that. Put this spacer back on there. Why has this got to be so difficult? Things should just be work-onable. Put this washer right here. Did it just like fix itself? It seems a lot more free. It still has some bad noise to it. But like, it's really free now. Maybe we fixed it. I'll put those little bolts back in and not tighten them. Well, I'll put them back in and like not tighten them super tight. I will tighten them, obviously. And then we'll put all the electronics on it and see how it does. If it does good, we might just leave it, because I don't want to ruin it if it is working better. Because it definitely sounds and feels like it is. I can't re-grease the bearings. Unfortunately, I would just do that if I could. But I mean, I can't even get the motor open. It's like 100% more free. It might even be usable now. So if this works, we'll clean it up. I'll throw it up on the display. But I do want to check if I can get the a down rod coupler thingy installed there. Yeah, it's a lot more free. Let's put all this junk on here. If this works, this will be a win-win. Actually, you know what? Before I do all that, let's clean the switch housing off and put that back on. Just in case I am satisfied with it. Then I won't have to take all the wiring back off just to put the switch housing on. I do also have a microfiber cloth. Whoo! I just saved the switch housing. It fell on my shoe and I caught it. It's awesome. And we do have a microfibers cloth of sorts on hand. I just need to have a lot of these. It looks pretty good. It's got some scratches on it, but it's pretty shiny. Let's clean the motor too. I don't know why the bottom of the motor is so dirty. Oh, my brother's getting yelled at. What if it was a glossy black motor? It wouldn't be my favorite. It would look pretty cool though. Why'd my phone give me a notification? I'll check it in a second. Well, I guess after I film this video, I'll check it. I swear, the noise of this has gotten so much less. It's not even that loud anymore. That's a mystery. That's weird. It's a good mystery. I'm happy. It just saved me some money on the bearing. Now I still have one. And it also saved me a lot of time. Now I can... Because I was going to throw this fan up on Tuesday, not thinking I would have been done with it today. Because on Monday I've got stuff after school. I don't have time. And on Tuesday... I don't have anything. I think I'll be satisfied with it. There's gotta be an 80s product. I feel like either this one or the Barcelona are the older ones. They've got nicer motors in them. This thing's got a really nice motor. It's got the really thick shaft. It was the bigger bearinged one. Bearinged is a past tense verb now. This is a gray wire. Where are all the grays congregated? Here they are. That one's busted. Alright, they're all in there. I'm gonna get the capacitor put in its spot. I like that they use the screw. Who made this? CEC? Very good job. I want a CEC Industrial so bad. Those are some of the coolest fans. That was a bad voice crack. I also want a Can-Arm Industrial. Get all the good fans. I don't think I have a single industrial ceiling fan. The closest thing to it is probably the closest thing to an industrial that I have. That's a stupid statement. Actually, no. I have a Hunter Symphony. It's like a residentified. It's like a residentified. What's it called? Whatever. Residentified industrial fan. Did you just see that? That was stupid. Hopefully I don't put this reverse switch in upside down. But if it does go in upside down, I don't really care. Shoot. All the screws look the same. Yeah, there's no threads even in the reverse switch. It's just the screws kind of self-thread it. Alright, let's see here. There's your bearing noise. It only happens the other way. That's good, I guess. I can live with that. That's not horrible. Obviously, it's not good, but, like, it's not awful. I can live with that much noise. So, I guess that's actually a wrap for this one. I'll see you guys back when we clean the rest of the fan and then throw it up for a demo. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.